here, and welcome to What Yacht to Do.
It is morning here in Cape Vincent, New York. I can see I got the New York thing going on here, and it is a little bit chilly. We had some wind, but the winds have died down to where we can move the boat.
And the rain stopped.
Yeah, up to Clayton. So we are going to go up to Clayton. It's a distance about 15 miles, and we'll wait it out there at a marina with power and see what happens. So, ready to go?
Let's go.
All right, let's do it.
It is a chilly morning here in New York, and the sky is cloudy. I have many lines on the Here's to Us and fenders out because we heard that the wind was going to be really bad last night, but it wasn't too bad. I mean, it is windy, you can see, but it wasn't anything like we've been through before. So we're going to get out there this morning and make our way to Clayton. Okay, now it's a little misty out here. I'm going to keep my bow lines intact and my stern lines intact. Come here to this spring line, and I'm going to loose tie this to this breast cleat here. So take those off and those off, and this one, what? Hang on just a minute. Let me get this loose tied here. Now Sam wants to have a family meeting, so I will get back in on the boat so we can discuss these conditions. Well, it looked like on the map it's right around this. Where are we?
That's this down here.
Oh.
There.
Okay. So we got a long way to go. It's
Well, we
not
got
right here.
a mile and a half, yeah.
Beautiful day out here on the water.
Yeah. If you're a duck.
Quack, quack.
Anyway, let's see what we got here. So we are coming into Clayton Harbor, and it's been 2 days of trying to get a hold of these folks. So what I did was I called a number of places, and I got the town clerk. She referred me over to another number, which was the judge, and the judge sent me over to another number. I eventually got a hold of the Parks and Recreation Department, and a lady said somebody would call me back, and they did. Within 5 minutes, a gentleman called me back, and he was very apologetic, saying that they're sorry they didn't get my message. He said that he would have the dock master meet us there, and that they monitored channel 71. So we have tried to look for the dock layout, which we have the dock layout, so that we can kind of talk to them about what is going on there. We looked in the waterway guide, which had pretty good information about the approach into there and any hazards that there are. There's not much wind going on right now, but what I'd like to do is, said they're not real busy, obviously. Try to get the best docking that we can, consistent with, having power requirements, something easy that we can get into, and also has the best protection from the wind. So we'll be communicating that to him. Rev wants to know of course, which side to put the lines on. And at this point, I don't know, because the person that I talked to on the phone was simply a supervisor. So he doesn't know any of that information. And I didn't even try to ask him. But they were very nice on the phone, apologetic about what's going on there. It's been slow with the pandemic and everything. But I said, no apologies needed. We look forward to staying in your city. So that's what we're going to do, and we're starting right now to see out there. I can kind of see where the hotel is, and I do see what appears to be a couple boats that may be parked on the bulkhead or so. Don't know yet. So we're getting close in, and I'm going to try to call him about every 2 minutes here on the phone on channel 71.
Well,
Okay.
you have very good eyesight if you see anything out there.
Yeah, I can kind of see where that hotel is with the green roof. That's the hotel, and on the other side of that is the marina. So I can see a couple boats that look like they may be on the wall there. I'll get the spyglass out here in a second.
Okay, so Sam has talked to the marina here, and there's a hotel, and you see a boat there to the left. We're going to go around that wall and dock behind that boat. I want to go bow in to the starboard side, so that's the plan. The wall, or the instructions, I guess, they put the fingers down close to the water line. Okay. He's going to call the marina again and just floating dock. Okay, so the wall that we're going to is a fixed wall. So rather than using the instructions from the marina, I guess their docks are floating, but the wall is not. Oh, okay. Yeah, okay. So he got a word that their docks are unstable, so we're going for the sure thing. Solid wall. I like it. I like the way this is bouncing. Bring it up a little bit. Now all my lines are in the cockpit, and they're all soaking wet. Isn't that great? So it's going to be real interesting getting these lines on. Sam, I'm going to the cockpit. Yeah. Because we're going to go in around that wall and bow in. So, woo, soggy. Lay that right there. Get one of these piles. Take it up. I'm going outside. I'm on the port side. I do see. I see that boat. 58 feet of water. 58 feet. That's incredible to be this close to the shore. Alright. Yeah. Okay, I I gotta get 2 more lines. Squeaky. I need a good sunshiny day and dry all these lines out. Yeah, that we like to be on the T-head, but that is too far out with the weather. Okay, Sam's thinking we're gonna need to get off the side of the boat. I like to get off on the swim platform, but you know, every dock and every wall is different, so we gotta go where we can go. Whew. So we're going to be tying up ourselves. There's somebody in the office. She volunteered to come out. Sam said, no, you stay in there nice and dry. Ah, nice and dry. I'm going to try to get us on with this breast line, and then we'll see what we have after that. Got the stern line ready. Oops. Okay. You're a boat. Yeah, we don't want to buy that. It is beautiful. I can't read the sign here. Riviera. Okay, so let's see what we're gonna do. They're plugged into that one. Do you want to plug into something else? Yeah, the pump out's way up there. You want to plug into the one they're in, or do you want to plug into this one? Okay. All right. Yeah, I like that boat. Okay, so I'm here at the breast cleat right here. Do you see me? Do you see me? Okay. So I guess the third one up. Can you get me to that third cleat? Okay, from the pedestal here. All right, Sam said, what's the depth? Well, what is it? Well, I can tie right here and we can just use an extender. I mean, our line's 50 feet long. We shouldn't need anything. You good with the depth? Okay. All right. Yeah, they're fine. No. Can you get me in a little? Okay, that's good. That's good. That way I'll have a little slack to work on the fenders. Okay. Yeah, that's beautiful here. There. What is it? Yeah, uh-huh. Well, thanks for going along with us on this short trip from
Cape Vincent. Was that lightning?
It was
there?
lightning.
My goodness. Okay, Cape Vincent here to Clayton, and we got in, and there was a little bit of lull. Ooh, that is thunder. Anyway, we got tied down, and we're glad we're inside the Here's to Us.
Yes.
So we're going to watch the weather blow by, and then there'll be another clearing time. So anyway, we'll see you next time as we progress on our route up to Alexandria Bay.